Hello students, good morning. In previous lecture we learned the rate of change of velocity acceleration. As we know that the acceleration defined as the rate of change of velocity per unit time. Clear? Acceleration is a vector quantity and the unit of acceleration is meter per second square. The formula of acceleration was acceleration equal to change velocity upon time taken, or A equal to V minus U upon T. If the velocity of object is decreasing, then the acceleration produced is known as negative acceleration or retardation. Clear? Now, and we have learned the average speed, average velocity, displacement distance. So, today I will solve first and second numerical problem of exercise. Clear? The first problem is that an athlete The first question of NCERT exercise is that an athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What is the distance covered? What will be the distance covered? Distance covered and in distance covered and the displacement distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds. The first question of NCERT exercise is: an athlete complete one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What will the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? Clear? Here in a circular track, the diameter of this track, the diameter of the track is 200 meter. Suppose that a person starts here and starts running on the circular path, and it reaches B and again to A in one cycle. A, B, A to B, B to A in one cycle. He takes 40 seconds. The person who is running around a circular track, he completes his one round in 40 seconds. Clear? Now, solution. First of all, diameter of track मीटर, रेडियस ऑफ ट्रैक इक्वल टू 200/2 means 100 meter, r equal to 100 meter. The radius of circular track is 100 meter. Here we take center, this distance is O equal to 100 meter. This is radius. Clear? Time taken 1 round. Time taken in 1 round equal to 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Total time equal to 2 minutes 20 seconds. We convert it in second. Equal to 2 into 60 plus 20 seconds. Equal to 120 plus 20 second is 140 seconds. Clear? Now, number of round completed the circular track in 140 seconds. Number of round completed by athlete in 140 seconds. So number of round completed by athlete in 140 seconds, clear, equal to 140 upon time taken in one complete round is 40. 0 0 cancel out, 2 7 जा 40, 2 2 जा 4, 7 by 2 round. Clear? 7 by 2 round means 3 and half round. Means given time interval 2 minutes 20 seconds, the athlete will complete 3.5 rounds. Clear? Or 7/2 rounds. Do we have to calculate the distance traveled in 2 minutes 20 seconds and the displacement obtained? In one round, he will cover the distance equal to circumference of circle. Now, we find that circumference of circular track, circumference of circular track equal to 2 pi r equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 100. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 100 equal to 4,400 upon 7 meter. Clear? Now, sorry. The distance covered by athlete in 7 by 2 round equal to the distance covered in one round means 400 upon 7 into 7 by 2, 7 cancel out, 2 to the 4, 0, 0, 2200 meter. Clear? S equal to 2000 meter. Means the distance covered by the athlete in 7 upon 2 or 3.5 round will be 2200 meter. Now we see the displacement. The displacement attained. As we know that when any object starts its motion and returns back to its original position, then displacement is 0. When we complete one round, then displacement becomes 0. In another round, after completion, the displacement will become 0. And in next third round, also the displacement will become 0. At last, in half round, person starts here and here. The displacement will be final minus initial, means this point minus this point. Here this displacement is 0 and here is 200, means 200 minus 0. Displacement equal to A equal to 200 meter, because person starts here and after half cycle reaches here, means from here to here, which is equal to diameter of the circular track. Hence displacement is 200 meter. Clear? Now we see the next question, question number 2. The question 2 is that question 2, Joseph jogs from 1 in Joseph jogs from 1 in A to the other in, from 1 in A to the other in B, other in B of a starting of a straight 300 meter road of a straight or starting on a 300 meter road, 300 meter road. Okay. In 2 minutes 30 seconds. In 2 minutes 30 seconds, and jogs 100 meter back, and jogs 100 meter back, 100 meter back to point C, to point C. In another 1 minute, in another 1 minute, what are Joseph's average speed? What are Joseph's average speed? Average speed from first in average speed in jogging, first from A to B, Clear? The question is that there is a person who is jogging on a straight path starting from point A to the point B, which is 300 meters away. Clear? From one point to another point. He takes 2 minutes 30 seconds in going from A to B. After that he returns 100 meters back, and in returning 100 meters back he takes 1 minute. We have to calculate the average speed when he goes from A to B, and after that we have to calculate the average speed from A to C. Clear? Now we take a straight path. Now it starts motion from A and it is from point B. The distance between A and B is 10 meters and the path is straight. After that we generate from B to C. The distance between B and C is 100 meters. Clear? Now we see that. In first condition, we have to calculate the average speed of Joseph from A to B. First, from A to B. Clear? Distance of AB equal to 300 meters. A to B 300 meters. Clear? Time taken from A to B. Time taken by Joseph. Time taken by Joseph to reach from A to B equal to 2 minutes 30 seconds. 2 minutes 30 seconds converted into second. 2 into 60 plus 30 seconds. So 120 plus 30 seconds means 150 seconds. Clear? Now average speed equal to distance upon time taken. The total distance upon time taken. Time taken. Clear? The total distance 300 meters and time taken 150 seconds. 0 cancel 50 to 30, 50 to 50 means 2 meters per second. Clear? And we know that on a straight path, because the displacement will also be 300 meters. Hence, if we have to calculate the average velocity, then average velocity will also be the 2 meters per second in the first case from A to B. Now, we see that from second case, from A to C. From A to C. Distance A to C means first of all Joseph starts from A and this is B, then by to C means AB plus BC equal to 300 plus 100 meter 400 meter. Clear? Here total distance is 400 meter. Time time taken will be time equal to 150 second plus 1 minute extra, 60 seconds. 150 from A to B and back to C, 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Means 210 seconds. Clear? Now, average speed equal to total distance upon total time means 400 upon 210. 10 seconds. If you will solve, then you will find the value of this will be 1.90 meter per second. 1.90 meter per second. If we want to calculate the average velocity, then displacement equal to A to B, then that is negative, means 300 minus and means 200 meter. टाइम वही रहेगा जो हमने दिया हुआ है पहले 210 सेकेंड्स. एवरेज वेलोसिटी इक्वल टू 200 upon 210 मीटर पर सेकेंड. क्लियर? Now, zero cancel out. 20 upon 21 meter per second. If you will solve it, then you will find the value 0.952 meter per second. 0.952 meter per second. In this way, the two questions of exercise is completed, and another topic we will discuss